Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at epoch time, the way that Unix and Linux systems store dates and times. Now, Linux and Unix systems don't store dates and times in a way that includes months, days, years, and the way you'd expect to see them displayed on the system. Instead, they're stored as the number of seconds since the beginning of 1970. So if I would type a command like this, what I'm going to see is a big number, which is the number of seconds since January 1st, 1970. Now, I can also use a command like this with a date that looks something like that one above to turn that number back into a date that we humans have a chance of understanding. And so that would be January 20th of this year. So the number that you see is, again, the number of seconds since January 1st, 1970. That accounts for the 86,400 seconds for each day since that time. That's your Linux tip for using the date command to show time in a seconds since January 1st, 1970 format. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.